Dear friends of Harapan Baru Lombok, Monday morning, 6 December, West Lombok was hit by a storm. Because of this, around 20 locations in Gunung Sari and Batu Layar were flooded, which killed 5 and injured several dozen. There were also a lot of landslides, causing a lot of damage. 15,000 people are affected by the floods and landslides, with more than 2,500 persons severely affected. This means that their home was more than 1.5 meters underwater or destroyed by a landslide. 5 persons passed away and 23 were injured. We would like to show you a short video from Kakait where 30 homes were destroyed by landslides. Our Ecobrik Community Center and office was also flooded. The library lost most of its books. Our geometry equipment and tools are damaged. We would like to share some more images of the disaster area with you, so you can see the impact it had for the people who live there. Since the first day, we are working to help the victims. We have 3 projects to support them: emergency aid, cleanup, and repairing infrastructure. We supported around 2,000 victims with goods they directly need, such as food, blankets, and hygiene products. We surveyed the location first, so we exactly know what help they received and what they still need. We also placed water filters at the bigger camps. Our team also took the time to survey the isolated homes to help the hidden victims who didn't get support from the government. We supplied 12 regions with sets to clean up their homes. Products included in these sets is laundry powder, brooms, floor wipers, and products to clean the floors and walls. Many locations and over 200 families are still isolated because the mud of the landslides needs to be removed. The local villagers already started working, but they need tools to do so. That's why we offer them toolkits to do so. This can also be used for damaged homes and schools. More than 2,500 people didn't receive water because the pipes were broken. We repaired pipes in 5 areas and are currently surveying to see where else they need our help. We can't help all the victims alone. Your support allows us to do our work here. For everyone who already donated, we would like to say our biggest thanks. If you still want to donate, the information can be found in this video.